Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and this is number 1 in our oil, nut, and sugar-free vegan salad dressing series. Today's recipe is Hemp Seed Ranch.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Alright, so before we make our salad dressing, we need something to put the salad dressing on. So we're going to make a really quick, simple salad, something that I would typically eat in a day. So I'm going to start with kale because I love kale salad, but you can use whatever salad you want. I'm just going to, prep a salad really quick so I have something to put my salad dressing on. So one tip with kale, if you saw Jane and Ann Esselstyn's little video, they did a video about stripping kale. So you just take your stalk in one hand and you pull with the other. And that makes it way simpler than trying to cut out the stalks, even though sometimes you get there's a little piece left in there, but we can get that out easy. So we're doing the salad recipe for Veganuary. We're doing a series of salad dressings because you need to be eating salad. When you're on a plant-based diet, salads are every day. And if you don't have a good dressing to go on that salad, you're not going to be eating salad because it's not going to encourage you, right? You need something delicious to put on that salad. But if you struggled like us and gone to the grocery store and tried to look for an oil-free, nut-free, sugar-free dressing, impossible. I've tried it. So I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious, simple dressing that's going to keep you eating your salads. So I'm just going to chop up my kale a little bit. Don't want any of those huge big chunks. Okay. There we go. So even when you go to the grocery store and you look at that aisle, pick up those salad dressings and look for yourself what's in them and know what you're eating. Because some of you aren't oil-free, and that's okay. But there's a lot of unnecessary fat in it then. And oils just fill you up with a lot of calories so that you're wanting to eat less salad because you're going to get full with all of that dressing. And when you go out to a restaurant or when you go to a salad bar, thinking you're doing a great thing, you're eating your salads right, you've got your bowl loaded up with all kinds of goodness, and then you get to the dressing. And when you're looking at that dressing, you notice there's nothing you can eat. There's nothing either vegan or dairy-free, definitely not oil-free. Or there may be one, but from my experience, there usually isn't any. And when you go to a restaurant, you're going to run into the same issue. You're going to see that, they might have a vinaigrette of some type, or maybe an Italian dressing, but typically Italian dressing has Parmesan in it. So there again, you're not going to be able to eat that. So this is a way you can make this salad dressing ahead of time, put it in a little a leak-proof container, and put it in your bag. If you know you're going to a restaurant, then you know for sure that you have a dressing. And that goes the same for if you're going to a friend's house or a dinner party or something like that. If all your friends aren't vegan or plant-based like ours, most of them aren't, you can't expect them to provide you with a salad dressing. So if you just pack that in your bag, then you know that you have something to eat. And you know what's in it. Okay, I've just got some cherry tomatoes here. And my favorite thing to put on salads is roasted pecans. I love roasted pecans. So I'm going to put a few of those on there. Okay, now on to the dressing. So I'm going to move this stuff out and I'll be right back. While we're waiting for that, I would like to share with you some of the exciting things we offer here on the show. Our official website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, offers hundreds of our original free step-by-step video recipes, as well as tips and resources for everyday plant-based living. For more in-depth learning, we created the 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, which will teach you everything you need to know to successfully transition to a plant-based diet in 28 days. The course includes weekly meal plans and shopping guides, 65 tasty video recipes, and daily learning materials from our most trusted plant-based resources. For big holiday meals, we created the Plant-Based Holiday Feast Made Easy cooking class. This course is an in-depth 2-hour real-time cooking class where I walk you through making a delicious 8-dish holiday meal that's perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas-style feast. All of our classes offer lifetime access, so you can take your time and work through them at your own pace and revisit them as much as you like. Our Plant-Based Made Easy community offers our basic free membership that is free for life and is great for staying in the loop, and our Legends membership for $15 a month that offers instant access to all of our digital products, including our 28-day course and holiday feast cooking class, our growing line of printable cookbooks, wholesale discounts on our branded apparel, and named credit in the show. Okay, let's get back to the show. Okay, we're back and we're ready to make our dressing. And I'm going to use my NutriBullet because it's a smaller amount. Even this cup is probably too big, but of course, the little cups I have are dirty. We have a family of 4, so these are hard to come by. We're always fighting over who gets to use the cups. So I just need another set, right? Okay, so we're going to start with hemp seeds. This might be something new to you. Hemp seeds are a super wonderful, nutritious thing that you can use. It's a great fat. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. Hemp seeds are derived from industrial hemp, with the hulled seeds containing 0 THC, so it's perfectly safe for all ages. The seeds contain 33% protein by weight and offer all 20 amino acids, including the 9 essential amino acids that the body does not manufacture and can only be derived from food. Hemp seeds contain the perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 linoleic acid and omega-3 linoleic acid. Hemp protein is easily digestible, making it an excellent replacement for nuts in recipes, like this salad dressing for those with nut sensitivity. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of the hemp seeds. And this is what's going to make your dressing really creamy without using a refined oil. Because you still need to have that fat in there, but it's going to be a good healthy fat, a whole food fat, not a refined one. Then we're going to have, we're going to add half a teaspoon, let's see, half a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'll give you a link in the recipe for this onion powder. I love this onion powder, and if you've seen my other shows, you know this is the only onion powder that I use, and I use it in everything. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. And about 1/4 teaspoon of cracked pepper. Just gonna crack it in there. That looks about good. And you can always add more cracked pepper to your salad later on. And then for our tartness, we're going to use white wine vinegar. Let's see, how much of that do I need? I need 2 tablespoons. There we go. And then we're going to need just a teeny bit of sweetness. And instead of using a refined sweetener like sugar or maple syrup, we're going to use raisins because it's a whole food. Let's see, how much do I have of that? So 2 tablespoons of raisins, and I'm just going to estimate kind of in my hand. There's 1. Because it's hard to scoop out that with sticky raisins. And then we have our oats. So you need something that's going to make it kind of thick, right? Oats are just a wonderful thing to use if you don't want to use something like cornstarch or more fat. You can use oats because it acts like an emulsifier and a thickener. All of that starch in there, when you blend it, it's going to start to thicken. So we have 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. And ranch, the secret ingredient is dill. And we're gonna use a whole teaspoon of dried dill. You could probably use fresh too, but I really like to use the dry. I feel like you can control the amount that you use a little bit easier. And then a half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Very important that it's unsweetened, because like I said before, you don't want those refined sugars in there. Now we're just gonna blend this up till it's smooth and creamy, and then we have our magic ranch dressing. Okay, there we go. And if you want this to get thicker, you can always put it in the refrigerator and let it set up for a couple hours, and it will get thicker. Right now, it's a little, you know, it's not runny, but it's not super thick. And like the NutriBullet, it's got this handy little pour spout for salad dressings. I'm gonna stick that on there. Get my salad. We're gonna go to the table and try it out. Here we go. I'm salivating. This is so amazing. I've been missing ranch so. Hemp Seed Ranch Dressing. You are gonna love it. And if there's a dressing that you wanna see in this series, leave me a comment below, and be sure to give this a like so we can keep these shows coming to you, and I'll see you next time.